Preparation. Step 1. Place rack in center of oven. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 6 4-ounce oven-proof cups in a deep baking pan, just large enough to hold them. Step 2. Bring 2 cups whole milk to a simmer in a medium saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally and keeping a close watch so it doesn't boil over. Step 3. Meanwhile, whisk 2 large eggs plus 2 large egg yolks, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract in a medium bowl just to combine. You don't want to incorporate too much air into the mixture. Slowly pour warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking gently. Pour custard through a fine mesh sieve into the cups. If the strainer clogs, use a spoon to scrape clean and discard the vanilla pod. Sprinkle the tops of each custard lightly with freshly grated nutmeg. Step 4. Pour hot, not boiling, water into the base of the pan until it reaches halfway up the sides of the cups. Bake until the custards are just set. They should wobble a bit at their centers for 30 to 35 minutes. Let the custards cool in the water bath for about 2 hours before serving. Do ahead. Custards can be made 3 days ahead. After cooling, cover the surface of each custard with plastic wrap and chill. Serve chilled or bring to room temperature.